was investigating a couple of civilian complaints that had been made about the situation. Can you comment on that at all?
Well, my understanding that there was a call for a supervisor, and my understanding also to call the supervisor, you're supposed to go to the scene, but my understanding also there was an additional call that just stopped by the scene. So I don't know any more than that, but I do also know that Mrs. White Sergeant White did her job. She did investigate the calls. She did go to the scene on Mount Avenue. And that's the evidence that we look forward to presenting to the citizens so that they will understand and see that an officer such as Sergeant Alicia White is actually doing the job. And what's also important, the Sergeant White just wasn't any police officer. She was destined by the vanguard and the other police officers to break the glass ceiling that so many females have not been able to break here in Baltimore City in the police department. One of the problems that we have with the police department, they must truly show who we are as a society. How on earth can we as a society change if we only have one female who's a lieutenant colonel in the police department of Baltimore City? How on earth can we change if we have one African American female who's a major? This is what we need to understand, that it is the policies, practices, and procedures that have placed us in this situation. Let us take the opportunity to thoroughly investigate, and let us take the opportunity to understand that this Sergeant White has the ability to break that glass ceiling, not just for the African Americans, but more important for the females of Baltimore City, both black and white.